Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best laser engraving machines. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Ammer P2. Specifications: brand name, Ammer. Model number, Ammer P2 33 watts. Is smart device, yes. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. Number 4 on our list is Alo Laser DIY Kit 10 watts Laser Engraver. Specifications: brand name, Alo Laser. Model number, Alo Laser DIY Kit 10 watts. Is smart device, yes. Engraving area, 400 by 400 Control software, Laser Garble, free, light burn, paid software, Wi-Fi app. Frame materials, all aluminum profile. Luminous power, 10 watts laser power. Control mode, PWM. Engraving speed, 0 to 12,000 in per minute. Input format, BMP, JPG, PNG, NC, DXF, SVG, etc. Warranty, 1 year's free warranty. Certification, say. Number 3 on our list is SculpFun S30. Specifications: brand name, SculpFun. Model number, S30 Laser Engraver with honeycomb. Power input, 100 to 240 volts. Engraving accuracy, 0.005 millimeters. Engraving area size, 410 by 400 Machine power, about 60 watts. Diode laser output power, 5 watts. Laser focus, 0.06 by 0.06 Laser wavelength, 455 plus 5 nanometers. Certification, CE. Number 2 on our list is Ammer P1. Specifications: brand name, Ammer. Model number, Ammer P1 20 watts. Laser power, 2000 MW. Engraving size, 400 by 385 Spot size, 0.1 millimeters. Engraving speed, 10,000 millimeters per minute. Electrical requirement, 24 volts for ADC. Motherboard, 32-bit. Engraving method, USB, app, online, DF. Software support system, Mac, Windows, Linux. Output power, 96 watts. Laser wavelength, 445 plus 5 nanometers. Number 1 on our list is TTS55 Pro. Specifications: brand name, TTS. Model number, TTS55 Pro. Software identification file format, NC, BMP, JPG, PNG, G-code, etc. Engraving range, 300 by 300 Laser wavelength, 445 plus 5 nanometers. Engraving accuracy, 0.1 millimeters. Engraving speed, 30,000 millimeters per minute. Software support system, Mac, Windows. Machine material, aluminum profile plus plastic parts. Power supply, 12 volts for ADC, 24 volts for ADC. Control board, LTS, especially 32 motherboard, 32-bit. Laser power, 5 watts, 10 watts, optional. Input power, 40 watts, 80 watts, optional.